Now, let's talk about Jasmy price real quick. The current price of Jasmy is trading around 0.0175. So after getting a massive rejection from this resistance zone, the 2 cent area, which I specifically gave you guys a heads up about, we traded massively to the downside. I think we got to as low as 0.0160. We are currently on the 4-hour time frame for Jasmy coin. We are going to be talking about Jasmy price on CoinMarketCap, and also exciting news thanks to an invitation from the token economist, the son at Off-Chain. The Jasmy CFO Hara will be speaking tomorrow, 29th July 2025. He will be sharing the vision behind the Junction's decentralized GPU infrastructure. So if you're really interested in what he has to say, make sure to tune in and listen to what he has to say. Now, if you're paying attention to Jasmy on CoinMarketCap, my joy is we are still ranked above the top 10. We are still among the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. So that is one of my biggest joy with the Jasmy project. Definitely by the time the massive liquidity rotation begins from BTC, Jasmy is going to be among the top 90 projects to get a massive share of the liquidity rotation. The BTC dominance is already massively dipping. Now the BTC dominance is currently at 60.81%. We are left with 14 hours and 13 minutes until this current daily candle closes. This is the daily time frame for the BTC dominance. In the previous video, I told you guys I'm expecting a rejection from here, from this previous bullish breaker block, failed bullish breaker block, which is now acting as a resistance. So that was what happened when we tapped into that zone. We briefly tapped into the zone and then got a massive rejection. The last 6 days, the BTC dominance has been in a downtrend, which is massive and bullish for altcoins. So the further the BTC dominance goes down, the more the Ethereum price. This is the Ethereum BTC pair, by the way, on the monthly time frame. So the Ethereum BTC pair is currently outperforming BTC. We have 3 days and 15 hours until this current monthly candle closes. The monthly candle close is going to open a new window, a new direction as to where the market should head to. Like I said in the previous video, I'm expecting a correction into the month of August, and then from August 4th, 5th, 6th, we should expect a bullish rally all the way into September. And then from September 20th to 21st, 22nd, I'm expecting a correction for the altcoin market. And then we consolidate until we enter into October. I think that is what is going to happen. You can save this video for future reference. Now, Ethereum is going to head to 8K and 10K. Definitely, nothing is stopping it. I'm expecting, I hope, and I wish for the BTC dominance to lose this support level around 60.44% and then trade into 59.87% and also 59.27%. So by the time we get there, we might get a brief reversal to the upside back to this previous support, retesting it at a resistance and then getting a further price drop to the downside, which is what I'm hoping for. So we should be hoping for targets like 57% and 59% and also 59.8%. But I think where the altcoin market is going to explode is when the BTC dominance eventually drops to 55.46%. The altcoin market are going to go crazy by then, like seriously. By then, Jasmy should be rallying aggressively to the mass. The current market cap is seated at $871 million. The maximum supply, the circulating supply is, and also total supply is extremely low compared to other projects. We are currently in circulation. We have 49 billion Jasmy coin in circulation. So by the time Jasmy gets to $1, we should be expecting a $49.4 billion market cap, which is still very, very possible for utility projects, solid projects like Jasmycoin. Jasmycoin is one of the projects that have stood the test of time. I've been in this project since 2021. A more realistic price target for Jasmy would be the zone around 20 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents. I think these are the more safer price target and a more realistic price target for Jasmy coin. Previously, when Jasmy got to as high as $1, $2, even I think $3, right, or $4, the circulation, the token in circulation then was very small. That's why it was able to easily rally that high. But now we have all the token in circulation now, so it can get to $1, which I'm not like disputing that fact at all. But I'm saying if you want to like target a safer price areas, then 20 cent, 30, 40, 50 cent should be areas you should be like focusing on. We are yet to like fully retrace this dump we had. So if Jasmy is making her way back up, then I'm expecting a rejection this time around from around 0.0194 zone. You understand? We already have a clear bearish breaker block there. You get, so I'm definitely expecting a rejection from the zones around 0.0194 and also 0.020 zone. That zone is likely going to send Jasmy back down. But the moment we are retracing, the 0.01884 zone is a level I'm expecting Jasmy to get a bounce from, if at all we are getting a rejection from this bearish breaker block. For we not to get a rejection from this bearish breaker block, then Jasmy RSI needs to like shoot off the roof. The RSI is currently at 53.15%. We are currently above the 50% level. In the previous video, I gave you guys an entry when the RSI was below the 50% level. I told you guys this Jasmy coin has presented an entry opportunity. So congratulations if you took an entry then. If Jasmy coin momentum is dropping and we are not proceeding to the upside, then we should expect a correction. Now, the thing is, the exact correction level is not clear here. The Jasmy price on the 4-hour time frame and also on the 1-hour time frame is not presenting any like clean high probability setup. But if you ask me, I think the level around 0.0170 zone should be a good entry opportunity. If we are not getting a massive rejection, if it's just a minor correction, then that should be a good entry opportunity for Jasmy coin. The 4-hour time frame, the daily time frame is more significant compared to the 1-hour time frame. That's why I prefer to do the analysis based on the 4-hour and the daily time frame. So yeah, that's that for that, and that will be all for now. The moment we are flipping this bearish breaker into a support, then that is it. That is it for Jasmy coin. Remember, I've always drawn you guys' attention to the 2 cent, which is the significant level we have both on the higher time frame and on the lower time frame. The moment we are flipping that 2 cent into a support, it's over for the bears. My name is Isaac once again. Like this video if you haven't already. Peace out. Thanks.